Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about a specific method which is contradiction method. Contradiction method help us to prove a given number which cannot be expressed in P by Q form as irrational number. So let's see how we can prove root 7 as irrational number. Children, for this we have a particular method and will assume first of all that let root 7 is a rational number. Since the method is contradiction method, so we will take just opposite what we want to prove. So let root 7 is a rational number. Now, if root 7 is rational number, then it can be represented in A by B form. That means P by Q form you can write it, where B should not be equal to 0 and your A and B are co-primes. Co-primes means A and B does not have any common factor other than 1. So here I am getting root 7 equal to A by B. Now let's cross multiply it. So I will get root 7B equal to A. Now squaring both the sides, I will be getting it as root 7b whole square equal to a square, which can be written as 7b square equal to a square, and I can write it as b square equal to a square by 7. That means this a square is divisible by 7. Therefore you can write therefore a square is divisible by 7, and hence A is also divisible by 7. Is also divisible by 7, because this A square can be written as A into A divided by 7. That means this A comes in the table of 7. So I can write A square is divisible by 7, and hence I can say A is also divisible by 7. Now children, if any number is divisible by 7, that means it is a factor. So I can write if A is divisible by 7, then A is some multiple of 7. Let that multiple is M. Now again squaring both the sides. I will get it as, I am doing it here, I will get it as A square equal to 49M square. Now I can put the value of A square from here. It is 7B square. So this is, let this be equation 1. Put the value of A square from 1. So here it will be 7B square equal to 49M square, and I can write it as B square equal to 49M square. This 7 is in multiplication, so it will come down. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. That means I can take this 7 down. So it is B square by 7 equal to M square. Again I can say over here that B square is divisible by 7, and hence B is also divisible by 7. But what we have said above, here we have said that A and B are co-primes. That means they have only common factor as 1. But here I am getting common factor of A as 7 and B as 7, which contradicts our assumption. So we will write from above A and B have factor as 7, which is other than 1, hence it contradicts. One more line I will be writing, hence it contradicts our assumption. Hence I will be writing contradicts our assumption. Therefore root 7 is irrational number. is irrational number. Hence proved. So this is the kind of question which you can expect in your board examination. Children, this is the only method of proving a given number which cannot be represented in P by Q form as irrational number. Now you can get one more type of question. Let's suppose it is given 7 plus 3 root 2 or minus 3 root 2. Then one more step you have to do. Before starting this step, you need to simplify. That means you are going to prove root 2 as irrational number, but then first of all you will be taking it as let this be equal to P by Q. So 3 root 2 equal to P by Q minus 7. Actually our aim is to separate this root value from all other values. So I will be writing it as root 2 equal to P by Q minus 7, and this is in multiplication, so it will come down. Now you will start the things from here. Let root 2 is a rational number. So this is an additional part you have to do if your question is given in addition of two terms. That means one is rational and other is irrational number, or difference of two terms, that is rational and irrational numbers. Isn't that easy? Follow this method for proving any number which cannot be expressed in P by Q form as irrational number.